Welcome to TCI's DecisionLender 4 training series. This tutorial will instruct the user how to add, modify, and delete an institutional ID. Institutional ID is a bureau code used by the lender or lender branch to identify trade lines on the credit bureau belonging to the lender or branch. DecisionLender provides the capability to enter and store various institutional IDs to be used to reference an application. How to create a new institutional ID. To begin, log into DecisionLender. You are brought to the landing page. Click on the Setup tab in the sidebar menu. Click on the Lender tab. Click on the Institutional ID subtab. Within the Institutional ID page, click on the plus sign. The Create New Institutional ID page will display. Enter the institution name and the institution ID. Select the bureau from the drop-down selection. Select the type from the drop-down selection, either affiliate, on us branch, or other. Click Save. The institutional ID has been added, and you will receive the following message: Success! Institutional ID created successfully. To add additional institutional IDs, please repeat these steps. How to modify an institutional ID. From the Institutional ID page, select the Edit icon to the right of the institutional ID, which you would like to edit. The Edit Institutional ID page will display. Make your applicable changes, and then click on the green Update button. The institutional ID has been updated, and you will receive the following message: Success! Institutional ID updated successfully. How to delete an institutional ID. From the Institutional ID page, select the red trash can icon to the right of the institutional ID, which you would like to delete. This action will automatically delete your institutional ID. This concludes the tutorial. If you need further assistance, you can contact TCI Client Support at 1-800-492-2001, option 3. Thank you for choosing TCI's DecisionLender.